Hi, Peter. Hi, Peter.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
Yeah,
Are
I'm
you
fine, thank you.
okay? Okay, that's good to know. Can you share something about your day? What did you do in the morning?
I play football.
What did you play? Oh, football. Okay, nice. What about in the afternoon?
I don't know.
You don't know what you did in the afternoon?
Ah, um, I I play football.
Oh, you play football the whole day. You tired? You sleepy? Hungry? Are you tired?
No.
Oh, no, you're not. That's good to know. Get yourself comfortable and we will start right away. Let me share my screen and today we'll have lesson 14. What was high school like? Okay, can you tell me what grade are you in now? What grade are you in?
Bố chồng đi ra đi. Đưa ra ba.
What grade are you in now, Peter?
Hello.
Yes, Peter. I can hear you. What grade are you in?
Bạn học lớp mấy?
Six.
Oh, you are in grade six, which is secondary already in Vietnam. Okay. So now we'll talk about your experiences as a secondary student. Okay, but first let us talk about the subject. Exercise one. What subject is it, Peter?
Is teacher.
What subject is it? Subject.
Is math.
Uh, yes, that's right. It is math. What do we have to do in math subject?
I
What?
don't know.
Oh, you don't know. But do you have a math subject, Peter? Do you have math subject?
I don't know.
You don't know? Do you have a math subject at school?
Uh, I
Do you
don't
have math?
know.
Oh, you don't understand the question. Okay. Do you have math subject?
Yes.
Bạn có học môn toán không?
Okay, so yes, you do. Okay, so this is what you'll do, Peter. If you don't understand the question, you would ask me to translate. You will say, can you translate it? Okay, so don't say you don't know. Okay, so next one, we have science. Do you know science subject?
Yes.
Okay, yes, you do. Okay, so this is a picture of a student during their science subject. Of course, in science, we study about the natural world and, of course, do some experiments. Okay, just like what they are doing in here. That's science. Next one, what subject is it?
Is I don't know.
Can you read it, Peter?
I don't know.
Literature. Literature.
Literature.
Yes, okay. So, well, actually, in the Philippines, this is included in the English subject. Okay, so when we say literature, Peter, it's about reading and studying books, especially stories and poems like Shakespeare's work. Okay, this is an example. Okay, Shakespeare is an author. Okay, he is a person. Now, next one. What subject is it?
It's art.
Okay, yes, it is art, and in art subject, you're going to learn how to draw and create visual work, like what they are doing in here. They are one. What subject is it?
It's music.
Do you have a music subject?
Yes.
Okay, yes, you do too. Do you like music, Peter? Do you like music?
No.
No, you don't. Okay, and I understand. Now, next one. What about this? What subject is it?
It's history.
Okay, yes. What do we learn in history? What do we learn in this subject?
We learn
We learn about
history.
okay, yeah. We are going to learn about past events and people. Okay, that is what happened in the history. Next one, what subject is it?
Is PE.
Okay, yes. Do you know what it means when we say PE, Peter? PE. P and E.
PE is I don't know.
Okay, so it is physical education. Wait, let me write it for you. Okay, that is PE. PE. Physical education. So in here, we're going to learn about sports, exercise, and a physical activity. Okay, including your favorite sport here. Now, the last one. What subject is it?
Is geography.
Okay, yes, that's correct. And as you can see, we have here, what's this, Peter? What is it?
Is of is of is of teacher.
Oh, you don't. Okay, so this one, Peter, this, okay, that is what you call it. Okay, so this one is what we call globe. Globe.
Okay.
Yes, that is the globe, Peter. So basically, of course, during our geography subject, we study about places, maps, and The Earth. Okay, that's why we have a globe right here because it includes locations and places. Now, let us practice first. Tell me what you see and eat. Can you tell me what subject is it?
Is science.
Okay, yes, that is right. It is science. What about this one?
Is art.
Okay, yes, very good. It is art. What about this?
Is math.
Okay, yes, very good. What subject is it?
Is music.
Okay, very good, Peter. What subject is it?
Is PE.
Okay, very good. What about this one?
Is geography.
Okay, very good. Geography. What about this?
Is history.
And the last one?
Is I don't know.
Literature. Can you say it? Literature.
Literature.
Okay, yes, that is correct. Now, can you tell me how many subjects do you have at school? How many subjects do you have?
Have O. Subject.
Oh, how many subjects, Peter? Do you have 8 subjects, 9 subjects, 12 subjects?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know? Okay. So now, aside from the subjects that we have taught, Peter, can you think of any more subjects? Can you give me two? Two subjects that we did not discuss?
I don't understand.
Okay. Yeah, it's okay. Let me translate it.
Bạn có thể nghĩ ra thêm môn học nào khác ở trường không?
IP.
What else?
I don't know.
You also have Vietnamese, right? You have Vietnamese. You have English.
Okay.
Okay. So those are subjects, Peter. Okay, thank you so much for that. What about you? What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is IP and PE.
Oh, okay. I see. What subject don't you like?
It's math. Math. Yes, it's math
Why don't you like math?
because it's uh because it's difficult.
Oh, okay. I see. That is why. Fine, Peter. Okay, so now we'll have exercise 2 vocabulary. What does it mean when we say stressful?
Stressful is tired.
Okay, yeah. Thank you so much. So when we say stressful, yes, it could be that you are tired because it is causing you to feel worried or nervous. You are pressure. Okay, so that is right, Peter. Worried, okay? It's making you feel worried. What about useful?
Um, useful is uh, uh I don't know.
Fine. Okay, so when we say useful, it means it is helpful. Okay, it is practical. Okay, it means that you can use it for a particular task or in many situations. Like for example, the information in this book is very useful. Okay, it's helpful, Peter. Okay, so that is it. Now, what about entertaining?
I don't know.
Okay, I see. When we say entertaining, Peter, it means it is fun or enjoyable. Okay, it is fun or enjoyable. Like, for example, I found a novel to be very entertaining, which means that it really captures your attention. You enjoyed reading the book. Now, next one, what about easy?
Easy is not hard.
Okay, yes, very good. Okay, so that is right. So, of course, when we say easy, it means it is not difficult, not hard. It is not needing a lot of effort or skill. Now, what about practice?
Um, well, uh, I don't know.
Okay, so when we say practical, Peter, it means it is useful in real life. Okay, so it is effective, especially in real life situations or circumstances. Okay, let me translate that for you so you'll understand it a lot better, Peter.
Thực tế,
Okay,
Okay.
okay, thank you. Now, what about lonely?
Lonely is um I don't know.
Okay, so when we say lonely, it means you are unhappy. You are not happy because one has you have no friends or you are on your own. You are alone. Okay, so that is being lonely. You are on your own. You have no friends or no one with you. Okay, next one. What about interesting?
Interesting. Uh, I don't know.
Okay, so when we say interesting, Peter, it means something is attracting your attention. Okay, it is getting your attention or keeping your attention. That is interesting. Like, for example, she suggested an interesting idea at the meeting, which means that idea catches your son. Okay, wait, let me translate that for you so you'll understand it a lot better in Vietnamese. Okay, this
hấp
is
dẫn,
it.
Okay.
Okay, that is interesting, Peter. And the last one, hard.
It's not easy. It's
Okay,
difficult.
yes, very good. Or it could be it requires a lot of effort. It requires a lot of work. That's why it is hard. Okay, so now let us practice directly and tell me which of the vocabulary items are positive and which are negative. Okay, so when we say stressful, is it positive or negative?
Stressful is negative.
Okay, yes, that's right. What about useful?
is negative.
Why is it negative? It is helpful, Peter. It's helpful.
Is positive.
Okay, yes, it's positive. What about entertaining?
Is positive.
Okay, very good. What about easy?
Is positive.
Practical.
Is negative.
Okay, why is being practical negative? Practical.
Is positive.
Okay, yes, it is positive, Peter, because you can use it in your real life, okay, without much difficulty. Okay, this is positive. What about lonely?
Is negative.
Interesting.
Is negative.
Why? What does it mean again when we say interesting, Peter?
Is positive.
Okay, yes, it is positive. Can you define interesting again? What is interesting?
Is uh, uh,
Hấp dẫn.
Okay, that is the Vietnamese term. Now, can you explain what is interesting?
is is
Again, when we say interesting, Peter, it means the thing is keeping your attention. It's catching your attention, Peter. That is interesting. Okay, now what about hard? Is it positive or negative?
is negative.
Okay, yes, it is negative. Thank you so much for that. Now we'll have exercise 3, more vocabulary. Okay, so we have here playing sport. Okay, what sport don't you like to play?
Is football.
You don't like to play.
Is baseball.
Oh, okay. You don't like baseball. Why?
Because uh because is hard.
Okay, because it is difficult. I understand, Peter. What sports do most people in Vietnam enjoy? What is the most popular sport in Vietnam? Is it football?
Yes.
Oh, okay, I see. Now we also have taking exams. What does it mean?
Mm, I don't know.
Okay. When we say taking exams, Peter, it means that you will get a test. Okay. You have to answer a certain exam, Peter, to check if you have retained or you still can remember what you have discussed in your previous lessons. Okay, as a whole. That is taking an exam. Wait, let me translate it for you. Taking an exam, like what you did before having the um summer break.
Làm bài kiểm tra.
Okay, that is taking the exam. You will have it in every subject. So now, Peter, we'll just have a quick review of those next meeting, I believe tomorrow. So now you can relax, Peter. Thank you so much. Goodbye, Peter.
Goodbye, teacher.